Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. Happy New Year. So we're going to start off the new year with a new Margarete Miller Collage Weekly Planner for 2023. So we'll take the year to build it and then use it for next year. I have already filmed this, making this, and I uploaded it and scheduled it for today. And when I went in today to load, well actually, so this is like Sunday actually, but when I loaded the journal flip through, I noticed that this video wasn't there. So it went somewhere. I don't know. It's off in video. Taking a vacation, I guess. It didn't like the video, I guess. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you what I did and what I used in it. Unfortunately, the video is gone. So I talked to my daughter and she said, oh, Mom, you need to get, because I have externals that I use for like my embroidery stuff, and then I have another one that I use for all my crafting or all my digital graphics and stuff. But, you know, when I try to transfer from my hard drive to that, it takes even longer than uploading a video. So she said, oh no, there's another thing. So she's looking into it for me. All right, go. And so hopefully we don't have this problem again, because that was sad. So anyways, so this is week 1. I did not do the smaller prompts this time. I just did the kit that you can glue in. So that's what I did. And this is what I did for the first week. I attached this page in here so that I could have a little pocket. Hold on, let me go see what they're barking at. Okay, I guess the neighbor's dog was out in our front yard and he was barking at it. So anyways, as you can clearly see, this is kind of like an ocean theme for this one. The prompts was something magical, so I had chosen a mermaid, or a couple of them actually. And then the next one was time, so we've got a clock here with a hand kind of coming out of the clouds or ocean or whatever. Translucent paper such as vellum, parchment, tissue paper, that kind of thing. So what I did was use some teal blue tissue paper, and I glued it and kind of crumpled it to kind of give it the ocean feel. I know it's not as dark as the ocean, but I like the color. Furniture with legs. So I put a couch and I put our little mermaid on there, and she's like floating in the ocean doing her, I don't know what that is that she's got in her hand. It kind of looks like an embroidery hoop, to be honest. So I don't know. And then it said something triangular, so I put a triangular piece of fabric up here along the sky view. I did back this. I used Crafty Cat's little templates that you can get with her face. Her little face templates. She gives you a little design template, so I did one on the back here and then here with little bubbles. And then it says bonus is a place, so the ocean, obviously. So, and then I put my number 1 here. So sorry guys that I lost the video on this. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what happened. And then because my computer gets so bogged down having, because those videos can take up anywhere from 1 to 4 gig. And although I have space on my computer, it will still make it run slow. I think my RAM or something isn't high enough, which I might have to look at increasing too. But I don't keep those. But once they're posted and I know that they're loaded, I delete them from my computer. I know you're supposed to back it up, right? But when it takes you an hour to upload a video and then an hour and a half to transfer it over to a hard drive, and you can't use the computer during that time, it's frustrating. So, because I do use that for my business stuff and everything else. So I can't do that. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I may have her do it because she's got a better computer to where she just loads them and keeps them for me. I don't know. Anyway, because I know there are a couple that I really do need to back up, because if I lose them, that's going to stink to have to redo those videos, especially like the one for avocado dyeing. So anyway, so that's what I did for week 1. Sorry guys that it got all screwed up. Hopefully we won't have a problem with that again. But thanks guys for hanging out. I know this is an extremely short video. It's only going to be like maybe 6 or 7 minutes maybe at the most, but I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I guess I could have took the whole page out and redid it again, but I really don't want to do that. So anyways, until next time guys, plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Mwah. Bye guys. Love ya.